Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the apps and notifications, advanced, special app access, and here you have install unknown apps. You can install unknown apps, for example, through Google Chrome by tapping here and enable feature allow from this source. And now you can install unknown apps as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.